everybody, welcome to the channel. I got one baby child at work. I got the other one at ASL class. Hubs is still working. I'm still working. And I had the most delicious wrap. And here comes my husband now. I guess he's done working. Anyways, I took a low carb wrap and then I did salami, pepperoni, oregano, cheese, lettuce, ranch. Delicious. It was like it was a Subway in my kitchen. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy glam bag for May and the Boxycharm by Ipsy for May. This was sent over in PR, and y'all, they actually sent over the icon box too. So I'm gonna just unbox that one separately. So stay tuned for that. I'm a little excited about it because I haven't tried any of the sneak peeks. I haven't gone to the website, nothing like that. So I am filming this on May 1st. Hopefully you guys will see this at least by the 2nd or 3rd, and you can make your picks for the Ipsy or Boxycharm by Ipsy and the icon box. So just FYI on that. I actually went in there and made my picks today. Editing Rhonda here. Shout out to you guys who were over at Johnny's channel and we're like, hey, make sure to text Rhonda and let her know to make her picks. And it was so funny because she sure enough did. She shot me a text and was like, hey, make sure to make your picks. I'm like, oh yeah, I actually remembered this month. And she's like, okay, cool, because everyone was in my comment section for my choice video saying, hey, you better remind your girl to make her choices. So I love that you all have my back. All right, back to the video. So Ipsy was kind enough to give us a link to sign up. So if you like what you see, there's going to be a link down below. Thank you guys if you do use my link to sign up for Ipsy or Boxycharm by Ipsy or the icon box, because it is an affiliate link, so I definitely appreciate it. Before we jump into today's unboxing, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel each and every single month. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate y'all. A big shout out and thank you to those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. Thank you guys so much. I never ask y'all to, so when you guys do, I just want to acknowledge that, and a huge thank you. And for those of you that are returning or maybe just stopping by, sharing my content over on Facebook, thank you guys bunches. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the monthly Ipsy glam bag. Now, this is like your deluxe size sample bags. It's typically, I think, like around $16 now a month. You do get to customize one item out of like the 5 items in the bag. And you know, Ipsy is known for their little bags. This is actually really pretty. Like, I never think I'm into flowers, but my kids always tease me. They're like, oh yeah, pick something with flowers on it, mom will love it. And I'm like, will I though? And then they do, and I love it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. It's a nice, like, just like a nice little bag. Pleather, that's what I would call it. I think it's pretty. And then we did get a card in here. Now, your cards are typically customized to what you picked a lot of the times. So this is the Secret Garden theme for May. Oh, the first thing I have in here is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It's a hydro base. Oh, that's just a different language. Okay, good job, Rhonda. So we've got a nice little primer. Like Haley always says when we do our unboxings, this bag is really nice and one of her favorites because she likes the travel size. You can get through TSA without having to worry. Next in here, and again, these are all brands you may see or may have been in your picks for May. The SOS Hair Powder and Dazzle Me Quickly Control Oil. Ooh, leave on hair. God bless me. Okay, sorry, I just sneezed, guys, so there's a good chance that I will start sniffling. Kentucky allergies. This is cute, and I'm really excited that I received something like this. I hope I get this in my bag. I did forget to make my choices for my paid for glam bag, but a nice little dry shampoo that you can literally just pop right into your purse and not have to worry about it. I want to open it up and see if it's an aerosol. Hopefully not, because that would be even better. You can get right through TSA with it. Oh, it's not. It's like a powder puff, and you just, it's hair washing day today too. All right, this is awesome. I love that. There's nothing worse than you can't take a carry-on with your dry shampoo because of the, you know what I'm trying to say. All right, next in here we got the clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. When I get these, I like them, but I don't pencil in my brows anymore. I've been using the Babe lash or babe brow. It has fibers in it, and it's in a taupe color. I just use that. That's all I've been doing. For once in my life, my brows are semi-symmetrical. Anyways, Haley loves this. She's got good brows. I have the 90s brows and hypothyroid brows. Whatever. Oh, we got the What's Up Beauties in here. Is this like a little mascara, maybe? No, it's a lippy in Seba. I really enjoy the What's Up Beauty brand. I've gotten a couple of their eyeshadows. Ooh, that's pretty. Eyeshadow palettes. Their highlighters are really nice. Beautiful. They picked a perfect color to put in here. I love that. Mine is on, but we'll just go over it. It's like a comfortable matte. Kind of reminds me of my lipstick with OFRA back here. And then last in here, we've got the Dallas and James Skincare Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. I wonder if this is similar to the Glow Recipe. I don't know. I mean, consistency wise, it literally reminds me of the Glow Recipe, like one little pump of that. Doesn't really smell like watermelon. Just kind of has like a clean lotion scent. Nice little, I guess, hydration base or whatever. That is everything for this little glam bag. Again, this is monthly. Let's go ahead and jump into our Boxycharm by Ipsy. Now this, I think I've learned it. I think y'all have taught me. The power picks are the power picks that Ipsy picks for you. There's 2. And then the other 3 items you get to customize. So in this box, Ipsy or Boxycharm by Ipsy has customized it for me. I didn't make any picks because it's sent over in PR. For you, you'll get to pick 3 out of the 5 items. So once again, the Secret Garden is the theme. Ooh, don't forget they have a good sale going on at Boxycharm by Ipsy or Ipsy. If you make your picks, you can do some shopping. They had a ton of stuff. ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, One Size, LYS. There was a ton. There was a ton. I was like, go do your work, then you can come back and maybe shop. Does anybody else have to do that? All right, the first item that you may see for your choice is a Benefit Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. This to me is kind of newer with Benefit. I don't know, maybe not, but in my head it's newer, and it's a nice full size. That's the other thing. This is a monthly box, the Boxycharm by Ipsy. It is monthly, and these are going to be your full size items versus everything in here that is typically deluxe size. All right, next in here I have 8 Saints. It's a Soulmate brightening treatment with hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and vitamin E. Now, I've never heard of this brand before. Have y'all? It's kind of interesting. It's totally plain. Like, normally you think you see ingredients and stuff back there, but all the ingredients are on the back of the box. It does look like this is a cruelty-free brand, and it is free of the silicones, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, DEA, artificial colors, and fragrances. This is actually natural and organic ingredients, and it's not tested on animals. I guess I'll try it. It's a brightening treatment. What's this? Try our best sellers for free. It's got a little QR code. Ooh, dig a little deeper into this brand. Try our best sellers for free. Oh, there's a QR code on this box too. Next in here is by Polite Society. And you know what? I've been seeing this brand all over TikTok, specifically for their foundations. I've not tried them. I go through phases where I'm like, I'm not gonna wear foundation. I've been using that Glow Recipe Hue a lot in concealer. Today I actually have like a really lightweight foundation on, and I like it. But this is not even the foundation I'm talking about. It's by Polite Society. It's the Greatest Lashes of All mascara. So honestly, the brush kind of looks like the primer for Too Faced. Can you guys tell? So, I mean, it looks very promising. I mean, honestly, that first picture, oh no, my battery's dying. That first picture literally looks like me. I have like blonde lashes. So that is a potential choice. Next in here, we've got brushes from Mia by somebody, Massey? I don't know, but it's a little 3-pack of eye brushes. I mean, they look nice. You've got your fluffy brush and a flat brush and all of that. I will just skip these. The last item in here, I really want to know you guys' thoughts on this because I swear this is a repeat. So this is a Ciate London, I'm a woman, what's your superpower? Oh, it's volume 2. Okay, here I was ready to whine, complain, and it's a repeat. And we got volume 1. This is volume 2. I will shushy now. So, oh, that's pretty. Okay, so yeah, it is different. There's more like violets in here and like the pinks and stuff. So that's actually good. And this is cruelty free as well. Oh, that's pretty. Some of these shimmers kind of reminds me of Emily, right? Why did I just have a brain fart? The palette she came out with Makeup Revolution, it kind of reminds me of her color story a little bit. I don't know. Anyways, that's nice. There's also a mirror in here, so it's going to be nice and travel friendly and everything. So that is everything in the PR box for the Boxycharm by Ipsy and the Glambag. Let me know what you think about the brands. I'm excited to see the Polite Society in here. I hope that maybe down the road we get to try out their foundation, possibly, because the foundation's kind of expensive. I want to say it's like 30-40 bucks. So anyways, I will keep you guys posted on if I try that, and let me know your thoughts down below. I'm gonna hop off because my battery is probably gonna click out on me, but let's positive think. Check me out on my other channels. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram. I thought it just clicked. TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4 if you want to sign up for Boxycharm by Ipsy or the Ipsy Glambag. I'll have a special link down below. Thank you guys once again, and until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. It didn't click.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so